Okay, I want to get you started on your hour of code activity. When you follow the link, it will take you to something that looks like this screen. You do need to make sure that you look at the directions up here at the top, as well as the directions over here on the side to let you know what you have to do. The buttons that you need to use to press are over here on the side. So you'll start at graphics, and after you do, well, I'll take this back. The first thing that you're doing is clicking to see different translations. When you're done, you're going to click on the ticket. You're going to answer the questions that they have for you there. When you're done, you're going to press submit. You're going to press work, next activity. When you get to that next activity, and notice up here, mine has a little exclamation point. That's because I skipped the ticket and the questions. So if you see that, you got to go back. You need to make sure that you do what you're supposed to do. I'm going to go ahead and move to the next one so you can see what you need to do. You're going to click on where it says stage. And again, you're looking at the directions on the top. You are going to click on stage. You're going to click on create grid overlay. It's way down at the bottom. They do have it highlighted for you, and then you drag it over. You play for each step. You press the play button to see kind of the code and what happens. And then once you've done that, and they'll give you a green message, great job, you'll submit. You'll go to the next activity. The next one that you have to do is to go to the geometry section. In order to do that, it's not this that says shapes, even though it kind of looks like it. You have to click on the subject, then click geometry. And then pretty much everything else you are going to need is from this section. They ask you to drag out the triangle. So let's find where the triangles are. Oh, it's right here highlighted for me. Okay, and then I'm going to press play. And then I'm going to submit. And then for each one, now it should be a great job because I've already gone through these steps. They're going to tell you what to do. You're going to have to do it. They'll require going through, taking things over to the side and typing, replacing these numbers. If you get stuck on something, it's okay to skip forward. If you have a couple exclamation points, that's all right, but you do need to make sure that you go through all the steps, and the majority of them will need to be green. And then when you're done with all the steps, you've tried them all. You can have a couple exclamation points, but you've tried them all. You're going to press I'm finished with hour of code. It's going to take you to a certificate. You'll put in your name, you'll take a screenshot, and then you'll be done. Good luck with your activity.